Casting of vote by last elector. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of VCI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know about the procedure of voting by persons present at the polling station at the closing hour. Apply and interpret the various orders, guidelines, instructions issued by the Commission. Voting by persons present at the polling station at the closing hour. The poll should be closed at the hour fixed, even if it has commenced somewhat later than the starting hour. This will not, however, mean that after the hour fixed for the closing the poll, no elector will be allowed to cast the vote. All electors present at the polling station at the closing hour of the poll shall be allowed to vote, even if that means continuing of the poll for some time more. A few minutes before the scheduled time for closing the poll, the presiding officer will announce to all those within the limits of the polling station that the closing time of the poll is nearing. So, all those who wants to cast the vote must form a queue in front of the polling booth. Now the presiding officer will distribute to all such electors slips signed by him, which should be serially numbered from serial number 1 onwards according to the number of electors standing in the queue at the hour. Last elector should be given first slip and the first elector should be given the last slip. Continue the poll even beyond the closing hour until all these electors have casted their votes. Depute a police officer or their staff to watch that no one is allowed to join the queue after the appointed closing hour. In this education video, we have learnt about voting by the electors present at the polling station at the last hour. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos and rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.